Let's take a quick look at how the real estate profit calculator works on Toolkit.law. From Toolkit.law homepage, navigate to the Numbers section, open Legal, and scroll down to the Real Estate Profit accordion. This calculator helps you determine how much profit remains after selling a property. Start by entering the home's sale price, followed by any outstanding mortgage balance. Then add agent fees, closing costs, seller concessions, and expenses related to home preparation or repairs. You can also include moving or short-term storage costs. Press equal to icon to calculate the results. They calculate your net real estate profit, giving you a clear and accurate financial result. You can download the result and clear the field by pressing cross icon. This tool simplifies complex calculations and supports confident planning during property transactions. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's real estate profit calculator. Clarity you can calculate.